What's up, YouTube? Good morning. So it is 8:45. I'm on the road. And my husband, we're trying to get some stuff done. I'm gonna do a little grocery shopping, not anything major, just gonna pick up a few stuff here and there. So guys, we're going into Walmart first. Alright guys, we're out of Walmart now. I'm going into ShopRite. Stuff out of BJ's, nothing much. I'll give you guys a haul when I get home. Okay guys, I'm back home. Let me just give you a quick haul of the things that I bought. So in BJ's I got bread, eggs, coconut water, tissue, fries, no, it's not the same as Tasty, but it's good enough for them. Beef patty, cheese, beef cheese. This my daughter likes to eat. Brown chicken. So that's it for BJ's. And ShopRite, I got this. Crackers. What else did I get in ShopRite? Black pepper, yogurt, one duplex, 2 cheesies, a bun, and this I drink sometimes. You notice I said I wasn't taking up a lot of stuff? This is a lot of stuff. And there it goes. Then I went to, and I got these 2 wipes. This is Walmart. I went to another supermarket. I got these. Got 3 fish and 1 pumpkin. My husband took these off. I don't drink these garbage. And yeah, that's it. This girl, Olivia. Yeah. Anyway, we're at the doctor now. My daughter has a doctor's appointment, so we're heading inside for that. So guys, I'm just waiting on her. She went into some blood work. So yeah, so I'm waiting. So we're leaving the doctor now. We're gonna get some food for Olivia but she's low. So guys, I just reaching home. It is, I don't know, something to 8. Why? I just went grocery shopping on Sunday. Look at all this. I'm gonna give you guys a haul. Okay, so I got these in the, yes, I'm still in my coat. Okay, I'm cold, it's still thawing out. Some bagels, brioche hot dog bread, and all this. I don't eat all these stuff. This is for everybody else. Plantain. I got some thyme. Got some guavas. Guys, I used to have this in Jamaica. I had the tree at the front of the house. I got some hummus. That's for me. And I've got, how much is this? 5 yogurt. I've got 1 strawberry, 2 mixed berries, and 2 cherry cheesecake. Alright, let me put these cold stuff over here. Spend. My God. Alright, so this is chocho. I got 2. Bigfoot. I got 3 of these. And I got 3 of the cup soup, and I got pumpkin. Alright, that's the supermarket. All that is the supermarket. I went to another supermarket and I got pineapple, I got these that have like cheese in the middle, which is why I got this. Potatoes, and I got 1 strawberry lemonade. This is for everybody else, not me. Alright, it's another bag. Hold on. What else? I have some scallion, strawberries, golden berries. I think I'm the only one in here that likes this. Then put these over here. Oops. Cucumbers. I got 2. Green apples, green grapes, and fries. That's another bag. Alright. Then that's it for the supermarket. Then I went to the hair store just now. Conditioner. This one is like some moisturizer. Good. I went to Target and we got some Rice Krispies, got Cheez It, Club, rice crackers, and we got some organic canned soup. Alright, 2 more Target bags to go. More Red Bull. I don't drink this garbage. This. And this is for my daughter. Patches. And this. So, last Target bag now. Fantastic. More Red Bull. Popcorn chicken. Buffalo chicken. Green beans. And some ice cream. That's it for Target. And then Olivia, this is your bag. Look at her. All right. So low on food for her. So we got some food for her. Everything came up to a little over $100. All this is her treats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags. See? It's low. This is what we keep the treats in, and it's low. So look at her coming. This is not for you now. All these 7 bags, right? I'm not done yet. This has, let me see how many cans in this. 12. It's a 12 pack. And then, oh my God, there's so much. I don't know. It's just 3 each of all these stuff. Let me see if I can. Get out the bag. Oh, I found some more stuff from the hair store. I forgot. We got this also. And this. All these are like some treatments. Okay. More treatment. All these for Olivia. Let me just put them here so I can show you. This is ridiculous. All I do is spend every day. God. Look at her. Yes, all that is treats and whatever, and this is the rest of her food. All this and these. Right? That's it. Look at everything. Jesus. All of this. So I'm gonna pack these stuff up now, and then I'm gonna make something to eat. And I don't know, I think that's it for the night. Look at this girl. And I'm gonna make some juice now. I'm gonna do some mango carrot. Okay guys, so I got some water here. I'm gonna blend. This is how I do it. So usually I'll blend this first, then I add the sugar and the lime after. This is my way. We're gonna strain now. Guys, at this point I like to add my sugar. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to add the lime. Okay, guys, my husband went to get some more mangoes because, like I told you, everything here is not like in Jamaica. They're so weak. So, see, I'm gonna get some more mangoes. So, while he's out doing that, I'm gonna take this outside to put in the compost bin. So, this is the rest of the stuff that we had downstairs. So, I'm just adding this to it. Take this out. Still lots of snow out here. It's, oh my god, everything is frozen. Oh, guys, look at my tree, they're naked. So that's the bin. I suspect everything in here is frozen. See? Guys, look, everything all frozen. Look at that. See all my trees, they're naked. Look at that. Everything frozen. Alright guys, so while I'm waiting on him to come back, I'm gonna wash these out. These are the bottles. These are how they package them in the box. This is the covers and the labels. So this little thing here came with the bottles. So I'm gonna wash them out while I wait on him. Okay guys, we came back with the mangoes. So I'm gonna wash them. Okay guys, there. This is it. Okay, so we're gonna use some of this. Because if you use water, it's gonna be bland. And then we'll add the mangoes, right? Okay, guys, this is the last strain. So I'm gonna bottle them now. Okay, so guys, I stored all the juice. I stored them in the fridge downstairs. So I'm finished with that now. My daughter wants me to do a silk press in her hair. So before I do that, I'm gonna season up some shrimp here, and I'm gonna do it with some pumpkin rice. So that's what's for dinner today. So I'm gonna season that up, leave it to marinate while I do her hair. This is it. So this is ready. I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna clean up, and then I'm gonna start that girl's hair. When I'm done with her hair, then I'll come back in the kitchen. So guys, at this point I was done doing her hair and I'm about to cook. I lost the audio. I don't know what happened. There's no audio for this section, so right here now I'm putting in the shrimp. In the other pot I think I have the water is boiling there, so waiting to put the pumpkin in. So yeah guys, I don't know what happened to the audio, but starving. I'm exhausted. My legs are tired. I am going to eat. Then I'm going to shower. And I'm going to bed. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe guys, and thank you for watching. There's the final I'm gonna show you guys.